So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Y.U.S.M.B, and today I'm presenting you guys with another hair growth tutorial. As you guys can see stated on the title, I hope you guys do enjoy today's video overall. If you do, make sure to drop a like, comment in the comment section box below, subscribe if you're new and you enjoy the content, share the video as well, man. And yeah, other than that, let's just dive right into this.
Big bank, take little bank, I got that chunk on me. I ain't switching, can't eat, I got that drum on me. A couple niggas switched up, some stay solid. You put your fucking hands on me, I'ma catch your body. Big bank, take little bank, I got that chunk on me.
This is crazy, man. It really is. It makes no sense how long it takes me to make these type of videos, and then I question myself every time in the beginning. Man, it's crazy. I haven't done this in so long. When was the last time I did this? Last time I did this was, you know what I'm saying? Stop it. But
get him out of here.
But yeah, guys, I'm going to be showing y'all 5 tips on how to make your hair grow as long as you want. Head ass. But yeah, man, the first thing that you should do is have a good breakfast. You should never honestly underestimate the importance of a good breakfast. You know, that nurture you, that makes you feel good in the morning. It's the refueling part of most of your body, you know, because when you wake up you're all drowsy and it's just so sluggish, but when you eat that refreshing breakfast, you like, oh, I'm ready for the day, you feel me? And then by the time you tired again, it's lunch, and then boom, dinner, and then boom, sleep, wake up, do it again. And also, this is including your scalp and hair follicles. A meal that completes all of the above, that provides much needed energy to form hair cells. The second tip that I got for y'all is avoid cold showers. Like, literally do not try to shower with chilly water, and definitely don't use it to your scalp. I've told y'all this a long time ago though, you know, don't use super cold water and super hot water. Use warm water. And I think for this type of video, this is where I should really say that, because I just be throwing it in there. I don't really use it as a tip, but now I am. Don't do that. You always want the hair cells to be in good condition, just like with your body. You know, when you get in the shower, you know you don't want to be in cold water, and you don't want to be in super hot water. You want to be in warm water. You know, just treat your hair like your body. Make sure that your hair is comfortable, just like how you are. Now when it comes up to the rinsing part, that's when you go ahead and make it cold just a tiny bit, you know. But other than that, always start off warm. Keep it warm throughout the whole process, and then towards the end when you rinsing, do you focus more on conditioner and not shampoo. And I say this because with conditioner, you can put conditioner in your hair every day, especially leave-in, but don't wash your hair every day. That's a bad thing to do. It literally strips all of the oils and everything that you put in your hair previously before that day came. So yeah, man, that's honestly one of the biggest ones throughout these tips, if we being brutally honest. And then the fourth one, this might be debatable for some people, but you shouldn't do this. The fourth one is never comb your hair while it's dripping. You're literally breaking off your hair. Literally. You should always compress your hair with a cotton towel, or just like with a towel, something that's cotton, and then go ahead and comb. Don't do that. Please don't. That's honestly what causes split ends. That's why everybody be wondering, why my hair doing this, that, and the other. That's one of the reasons right there, low key. Actually, it's not even low key, that's high key. Everyone does it. Do not do that. And for the fifth and final tip, sleep well. Literally, go and get you 7 to 8 hours of sleep. That messes up your growth as well, man. Even throughout the body, you need your rest. More sleep equals more active scalp cells, and that equals more hair. Sleeping also increases the blood circulation around your hair follicles. It's literally like exercising, hand in hand. You feel me? But yeah, you guys, like I said before in the beginning of today's hair growth tutorial, I hope y'all did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment in the comment section box below, subscribe if you're new and enjoy the content, share the video as well, man. We're on the road to 100k subscribers. Once you subscribe, you're official part of the Y.U.S.M.B nation. If I grow, you already know. You feel me? But yeah, man, this is Y.U.S.M.B. Always remember to stay broski, and I will see. Why I say broski like that? Broski, head ass, broski. Damn, I forgot my outro just by doing that. Remember to stay broski. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. No, this is Y.U.S.M.B. Always make some say, bro.
What?
I fucked it up. Bye.